Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to give you an impartial review when we are covering the 3 best toothbrush sanitizers in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are trying to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best pick for the money is Sarmocare B 100 Toothbrush Sanitizer. As one of the best toothbrush sanitizers, the Sarmocare B 100 Toothbrush Sanitizer has several features that make it an excellent purchase. The most basic is that it uses UVC lamp beads to sanitize your toothbrushes and is thus very effective at its job. Additionally, it doubles up as a toothbrush organizer. This is because it comes with a freestanding toothbrush slot design that should hold up to 5 brushes. Consequently, there is no risk of the brushes touching. Also, the design is compatible with most toothbrushes in the market today. Another inclusion is the toothpaste slot. While a toothpaste dispenser is included in most devices of this caliber, this time, it was omitted by the manufacturer. This is because dispensers often leave residue in the device, which is unhygienic. However, you do get a toothpaste squeezer clip to ensure no paste is left in your toothpaste tubes. The sanitizer is powered by a rechargeable battery that takes approximately 4 hours to fill up. After that, it's capable of cleansing your brushes 25 times before a recharge becomes necessary. It even has a built-in fan to increase airflow in the device during the sanitization process. We noticed this compact device is easy to install. To do so, you find a spot on your walls for installation and wipe it down. After that, you remove the protective stickers from the back of the device and compact it on the wall. It should stick immediately, although it's advisable to wait about 24 hours before adding your brushes and paste. Number 2. Our second best pick is Pursonic S1 Portable UV Toothbrush Sanitizer. For those who want a toothbrush sanitizer for travel, the Pursonic S1 Portable UV Toothbrush Sanitizer fits the bill. The device only fits one brush and thus is an excellent pick in situations like college dorms. Also, due to the universal toothbrush design, most of the manual brushes in the market will easily fit into the machine. However, there might be a few exceptions, with an example being a few electric toothbrushes. These typically have larger brush heads which might be incompatible with the device. Some users have also found a workaround for some of the brushes that don't fit. You just remove the rubber holder and create more space for the brush in the case. Unlike some of the higher-ranked options, this brush sanitizer doesn't feature an inbuilt battery. It does, however, need 2 AA batteries to work. As such, it's up to buyers to decide whether to use rechargeable or one-time use alternatives. The device features ultraviolet light bulbs to cleanse your brush, which have an efficacy rate of 99.9% when pitted against germs and bacteria. They're also highly durable and should last just as long as the rest of the sanitizer. One very impressive feature that we noticed is the mechanism for turning the ultraviolet bulbs on. Unlike the competition that relies on using a switch, this option detects when you add a toothbrush to the setup and automatically lights the bulbs. It also shuts the bulbs off automatically after 5 minutes, which is enough time for the brushes to be clean. Number 3. Last but not the least, our third best pick is Aquatrend UV Toothbrush and Toothpaste Holder. The best toothbrush holder sanitizer doesn't need to cost a fortune to keep your toothbrushes clean and free of germs. The Aquatrend UV Toothbrush and Toothpaste Holder has room for 5 toothbrushes, so you can clean and store enough brushes for the whole family. It can be used with a variety of toothbrushes as well, from ordinary manual ones to electric models. There is a UV light inside the unit, which kills the germs and bacteria on your toothbrush, preventing them from growing. There is also a built-in fan that speeds up the airflow, drying the toothbrushes quickly to prevent bacteria from multiplying on the brush head. When the sterilization and drying process is complete, the unit turns itself off to save power. The Aquatrend UV sterilizer is made of ABS material, which is non-toxic, durable, and waterproof, making it a great addition to your bathroom and hygiene routine. It doesn't require any batteries either. It has a permanent internal battery, which may not last long but can be charged easily with the included USB cable and adapter when needed. For added convenience, this unit is easy to install using the included double-sided Scotch tape that secures the sterilizer to the wall without causing any damage. Once it's hung, you can clean and store your toothbrushes, plus it has a spot for your family's toothpaste on the side of the unit for a more organized bathroom. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.